Anything you want, don't let nobody say you can't when you can achieve anything you want. Don't let nobody say.
Gloria, how you feeling today?
Hi.
What's up? You're wearing this really sophisticated harness here. It says danger in multiple languages on the back. What have you gotten yourself into?
Just want to go crazy.
Just gonna go crazy. We're gonna get in a little bitty airplane right over there. We're gonna go 10,000 feet in that sky. And then we're gonna jump out of it. Does that seem like a good idea to you? It does. I guess that's why you're here, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, is there any particular occasion, or are we just here for fun?
Well, I just started my YouTube channel. It's Glorious Joyful Lifestyle, and I just wanted to show my subscribers some of the crazy things I get myself into.
There you go. This is absolutely the best way to do it. And you got anything you want to tell everybody sitting out on the couch there? You got
Don't
anything
be
you wanna say?
afraid.
There you go. Go out and live your life. All right. Now, any shout outs to the friends or the family? Is there anything specifically you want to say to them?
I'm shy. No, I'm shy. No. Hi, Suzanne. Hi, Charmaine. Hi, Reno.
All right. Ready to do this?
Marie, Trudy, Patrice,
Go high five.
and Munchie.
There you go. See you out there. Oh, we're at the end of the runway. Are you ready? that very well, Gloria.
Yeah. Woo.
And right now we're about 3,500 feet above your planet.
Nice. It's beautiful. Woo.
You got anything you want to tell all your adoring fans out there?
Don't be afraid. This is amazing. Take it from me. Woo.
Jumped.
Yeah. Where did I leave your tip?
Well, I like that information. But how'd you do?
Oh my God, I love this.
That's pretty good stuff, huh?
I love it. Amazing.
So you jumped, you lived.
Yes.
That was very successful.
Yes, lift the tail.
Now let's take those goggles off. Let's make sure you're not a stunt double here. Nope, it's you.
Yeah, it's me, and I'm alive.
There you go, in your life.
Amazing,
the most important part.
And I'm not an adrenaline junkie. Next up, the Grand Canyon.
There you go. Yeah. All right, so the ultimate question here: would you jump out of an airplane again?
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Means I did
Especially
my
if
job.
you're my instructor.
There
Heck
you go.
yeah.
All right, big ol' high five. I'll see you next week.
All righty. No,
Anything you want, don't let nobody say you can't when you